Hi boys and girls, we're going to play a game today called Big and Small. And I have this sheet from my toolkit. So if you have a toolkit, you can take this sheet. It is the back side of the ABCs. And I have written on it big, B-I-G, and small, S-M-A-L-L. So that I can put things that I have found around my house in these two categories. I can decide whether they're big or they're small, and you're going to help me today. So I am going to look in my bag. I have a bag of stuff, and the first thing that I'm pulling out is a Lego man. Is this Lego man big or small? Let's see. If I put him on the paper, or if I put him next to the paper, does he take up a lot of space or a little bit of space? What do you think? Big, small, small. I think small too. Those are pretty little. So I'm going to put him over here by small. Then let me see what else I can find. Ooh. Pete the cat. Pete the cat, say hi. Do you think Pete the cat is big or small? Let's compare him to the Lego man. Is he bigger than the Lego man or smaller than the Lego man? He's bigger, you're right. I'm going to put Pete right over here. He's going to kind of lay down over here on the big side. And let's see what else I can find in here. Ooh, let's see. I found a top. Is this top big or small? What do you think? Should we put it here? Look, you can look at it next to the Lego man or next to Pete the cat. What do you think? Is it bigger than Pete or smaller than Pete? Smaller! So we'll put it over here with the Lego man. Let's look for another item. Ooh, I found a block, a letter block. It has the letter R on it. Is this letter R block bigger or smaller? Big or small? What do you think? Should we compare it? Let's compare it to Pete the cat. Is it bigger than Pete or smaller than Pete? Smaller! So we're going to put it over here with our Lego man and our top. Let me look again. Let's see. Ooh, I have a Baby Yoda doll. Do you think Baby Yoda is big or small? Let's see. Should we compare him to something? We could compare him to the Lego man. Is he bigger than the Lego man or smaller than the Lego man? He's bigger! You're right! He's big, kind of like Pete the cat. So they're going to hang out together over here because they are both bigger. All right, I'm going to find one more item for you. Let me look in here. Let me see what I can find. Ooh, I found this cool balloon racing car. So cool. Now let's see. Is it big or small? What do you think? Should we compare it to something? Let's compare it to our block. Is it bigger than our block or smaller than our block? You're right, it's bigger. We're going to put it over here with Baby Yoda and Pete the cat. That was the bigger and smaller game. If you want to find things around your house and decide if they're big or small, you can do that too. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.